In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to Yahoo Mail. Keeping your contacts organized makes emailing faster and prevents mistakes. So let's walk through two simple ways to add people to your Yahoo Mail address book. We'll start from the contacts area, then I'll show you the quick method from an email you've received. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign in. Look for contacts in the interface. You'll typically find it in the toolbar or sidebar, often represented by an address book or people icon. Click Contacts to open your address book, then choose the option to add a new contact. This might appear as a button labeled Add a New Contact or as a plus icon. A contact form will open where you can enter the person's details. Start with the essentials: first name, last name, and email address. Take a moment to double check the spelling of the email. Small typos can cause messages to bounce. If you work with this person often, consider filling out additional fields to make the contact more useful later, such as company, job title, phone number, and notes. Notes are especially helpful for contexts like meeting details or preferred communication times. When everything looks correct, save the contact. You'll see the new entry appear in your list, and Yahoo Mail will now auto-suggest it when you compose messages. Now, for the second method. If you already have an email from someone you want to save, you can add them directly from your inbox. Select the message in your inbox, then right-click to open the Context menu. Choose Add Sender to Contacts. This shortcut opens the same contact card with the sender's email already filled in. Review the information, add their name and any other details you want to keep, and then save. This method is great for building your address book as you go without breaking your workflow. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. If Yahoo Mail detects a duplicate, follow the prompt to merge or update the existing entry. Use consistent naming conventions so you can find people easily later. And if you collaborate with teams, consider filling in the company field or adding notes to help with future searches. That's it. You can add contacts either from the contacts area or straight from a message, and in both cases, you simply fill in the key details and save. With these two techniques, your address book will stay organized and ready whenever you need it.